Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you buy crypto on MEXC? So MEXC basically. So first and foremost, you're going to need to create an account, sign out to your MEXC Global, and then complete the verification process. Deposit funds once you preferred a flat currency or a cryptocurrency into your MEXC wallet. Basically, just go ahead and navigate trading after that. So once you are done with that, you'll go ahead and navigate trading. Basically, go to the trading section and select the cryptocurrency pair you want to trade with. So you can also buy it here on Apple basically. So let's try to buy it here, like euros. Comes with cards as well, Visa, and all you have to do is click on buy now, and that's how you basically buy cryptocurrency. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.